Hello guys, welcome to GameFX. Today I'm going to unbox IQOO Z6 Pro. So this box has unique design, you can see it here. And it is from IQOO, made in India, and its specs are like 128 GB ROM and 6 GB RAM. So let's just open this phone. This is the phone. So before going into phone, we have to see what they have given. This is IMEI number, and this is some pustak vagara. This is the transparent cover for the phone, and I'll just keep it aside. And this is the charger, USB type B to USB type C. This is the power adapter of this, which is made by Vivo, and flash charge. This is 67-watt charger, so it's so heavy also. And we have some sample SIM slot which was there in the phone, but I've already started using it. And let's open the phone. So this is the phone, and it is so nice. Here you can see this is microphone, this is USB charging port, this is stereo speakers. Here you have IQOO name written, and the color is so awesome. This is gray color, then this is light blue. It has the two bada cameras. It has 3 cameras in the 2 big camera hole, one rectangular flash. This is volume up, volume down. This is the phone. The phone is so light, this does not feel heavy to you. The touch sensitivity is also very cool. So we have opened the phone. The touch is so much easier. The app space is also very good, and the color quality is also good. The refresh rate of this phone is around 90 Hz. I have opened this phone. I'm playing some random video. The animations of this phone is very cool. If you want to know video quality, I'm just opening video. So this is the video quality. You can set it to 4K. Wow, the quality is superb, and you can see every color here. The minor color changes, color is superb. I have to check for sound quality, so I'm playing the most famous song, Monster song. India. So this is the audio quality of this phone. Wow. So you get here, you can see the Brahmastra poster, and it's so colorful. So it shows every color you can see. Overall, the display quality is so nice. It has a good battery backup. If you charge for 100% a day, it would run easily. And the connectivity is so easy, and it has 5G connectivity. In the near future, we are going to get 5G. Let's check 5G in that video. So yeah, this phone is so awesome, and you can give it a try. I just forgot to check the camera quality. So this is the camera quality. Wow, it shows every minor detail aspect. See, I have this monster mode here, and I think it is for enable your booster performance. So smart mirroring, split screen, all ultra game mode in which you can play very easily. And you have IQ share, which means you can share in between your IQ devices very fast. And I have on monster mode, and S capture means screenshot, and eye protection, which is very important for who uses a mobile lot to save their eyes. So let me just check for Clash of Clans. So the graphic quality is so nice. So you can see the game is so much cool. Actually, I don't know how to play Clash of Clans. I'm just opening the only graphics level. The only game it was there in the phone. Even PUBG banned in India, BGMI also. So this is the graphics, and it is so smooth, but the little bit display is lagging behind. But otherwise, or I think it's the humidity here. Otherwise, the phone is superb. Yeah, you can try it, and it is a very good option for the price. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want to check out S20 FE, you can click here. Hello, welcome to GameFX.